Welcome again to the Vimert tutorial. Movement in Vimert can be achieved through the WASD keyboard set, or through the dimension box that allows orbiting around the project. You can switch between fly and gravity modes, which provides navigation from a human perspective with the ability to move and jump around. The Elements tab drop panel is an easy way to inquire about the families and disciplines in the model. The Properties tab shows elements' properties with generic material quantities. You can notice that the names of the element parameters is different than in Revit, which is suitable for a user who is unacquainted with Autodesk Revit. The Quantity tab can perform quantity calculations with the specified criteria. The Association Manager tab provides the opportunity to attach exterior files to elements with a variety of file formats. The Search tab allows finding elements in the model through their family types and disciplines. The Highlight option takes you to that element. The Sheet tab allows exploring sheets exported from Autodesk Revit.